Lifted forward by Lovren. Gomez has come a long way. Firmino! And Salah got there! It was a wonderful first touch. And his second was met by Salah. And for the first time in the game, Liverpool lead.
Salah waits in the box. Wijnaldum's on his way in there too. Here is Wijnaldum! And then on the follow-up is Salah. And it's a second for Liverpool. And it's worthy of this flying start they've made at Anfield tonight.
And now Bellerin is caught. Salah is away for Liverpool. Mane is with him. Salah against Cech again. Can he finish this time? Liverpool 3, Arsenal 0. Mohamed Salah beats Cech at the third time of asking from an Arsenal corner.
Just looking to tease it through towards Wijnaldum. Banega got there and didn't foul him. Salah's done well to win it back, and then the deflected shot. There's the element of fortune. Liverpool don't mind because they lead at Anfield.
Goal they conceded in 8 days. Lifted forward from Cech. Lovely first touch from Salah. Second one's brilliant. Well, he has hit the ground running in a Liverpool shirt. It's his 5th goal already for his new club in all competitions, and that's a welcome one to level it up.
Coutinho, Salah is there, and Salah has scored. It's a magnificent finish from Salah from such a tight angle. But how about the cross from Coutinho?
Firmino, Mohamed Salah, 3. Three and counting, in fact. Coutinho heads through towards Moreno and tapped in. Firmino and Salah arrived at the same time.
Firmino goes in ruggedly. Kane stays down. Salah's on the chase here. Mohamed Salah will get there too. And it's a scuff finish, but it's a goal for Liverpool. There's a contest back on at Wembley again now. What pace was shown there by Mohamed Salah.
Alexander-Arnold.
Salah, yes!
Nifty finish.
He's got Salah and Firmino with him. It's still Mane. It's Salah. It must be 1-0. It is. Devastating and clinical break from Liverpool. And Mo Salah. He's got back on his feet quickly, to his credit. And he's picked out Salah. Drove it well. Salah's second. Liverpool's 4th.
Salah tees it up. Oh, and finds the back of the net. What a lovely finish. Last 5 minutes of the first half. Coutinho, great running by Salah, 2-0! Ghosting in behind the defence, Southampton caught out.
It's Salah and Coutinho had a little tug it in. Coutinho trying to find Oxlade-Chamberlain. Salah, 1-0! He's done it again!
Mane did. Nice turn from Sadio Mane. Mane across to Salah. It's rifled in. Mane had to go the long way around Fletcher. He daren't risk diving in. And look at that for a volley. Emre Can. Peters has got to watch the ball. And Salah is in. And Salah makes it 3-0 to Liverpool. And the goal-scoring run just gets better for Mohamed Salah.
And Milner's in there. And so Sturridge, and here's Salah's chance. Surely he's going to. He does. Well, it's been a long wait for Mo Salah.
Mohamed Salah shrugged off Cuco Martina, wriggled through and scores brilliantly! How did Mohamed Salah do that? In behind the fullback, Salah full of running, taking on Daniels, steps inside him and gets the shot away and scores. Fully deserved, and that's 20 goals this season. The first Liverpool player to score at least 20 League and Cup goals in a single campaign.
One turn and one pass, and Salah is in on goal again. Can he get the shot away? He can! It's 2-0 Liverpool. The deflection just enough to take it away from Petr Cech, but Salah will claim it. His 21st of the campaign.
Emre Can has managed to find Mane. Here's Mohamed Salah, wriggling through and scoring. Liverpool level. 7th minute of the second half. Mohamed Salah. Firmino a little deeper just now. Milner into Salah. Salah's got away from Maguire and scores again. He just can't stop scoring. Mohamed Salah. It's a great ball. Well, it's a nice idea. Ederson out of his goal. Here's Salah. Does he go for it? He does! He scored! Ederson caught out! And Manchester City are surely going to be beaten here at Anfield today.
Alexander-Arnold onto his left foot. Salah! 3-2 with 13 minutes to go. Mo Salah gives Liverpool hope and try and redeem himself, which he does. Right down the middle with his 19th Premier League goal of the season.
24 league games away to Liverpool. Now Mo Salah is in. Salah has scored. Spurs opened up just 2 minutes into the match. Look at the intent on Liverpool faces. Salah. Handball is the Liverpool shout. Salah just gets on with the game, and Salah wriggles through. And Salah has scored for Liverpool in injury time. An unbelievable ending at Anfield.
Into Salah, off to Firmino. Oh, Salah! 2-0. Lovely ball played into him by Firmino, exquisite. And Salah's golden goal streak continues.
James Milner, oh, he's rattled the post, and Salah too! Well, that was nice, wasn't it? How kindly did that sit up for Mo Salah?
Look, a bit of footwork from Oxlade-Chamberlain. He's got it through to Salah, and Salah's got it into the net yet again. Every game a goal for Liverpool's brilliant Egyptian.
Oxlade-Chamberlain can open things up though. Salah, there's the goal. It's taken them some while to score, but in the 40th minute.
Worked on for Salah, who's onside. Mohamed Salah. Danger bells here for Watford. Salah, goal! How many times have we seen him do that? Sensational from Mohamed Salah once again. This is Mane. Worked well for Robertson. First time ball into, good one! And Salah's there again! It has been coming. And who else was going to be on the end of it but Mohamed Salah? Sadio Mane, and now Salah. Is this the hat-trick? Mohamed Salah! It is! It's a treble for Mohamed Salah to really just put the icing on the cake for Liverpool. Sadio Mane offloaded to Salah. Ings making an intelligent run, which has given space to Salah, and here is Danny Ings! And Salah gets his fourth! It's a five-star performance from Liverpool, and another sensational showing from Salah.